Today we are going to be looking at different components of the Amazon Fire Kindle. I've taken the liberty of already taking it apart. So first we're going to want to, it's what I consider a clip-on. There are no screws. So we're going to want to pry something very thin, usually like a flathead screwdriver, in between the the base plate and the screen plate. So it'll be like right here, and we slip it in, and it's gonna be pretty hard, but don't worry. Usually it'll be pretty hard to break something unless you're very rough. And then you do it all around, and I'd say about like you get half the side. You can probably pry it open with your hands after that, and it's not gonna be this easy, but I already pried it open. So as you can see, we have all this here, pretty simple on this side. As a matter of fact, just some what would we call it, cushioning, I think, due to lack of words right now. And then we have all the circuits and the battery. Just for battery information, I guess we have here we have a looks like lithium ion. We got what 3.7 volts. That's probably the most important thing. Made in China. Note to self: do not throw it away. But it looks like you recycled the battery. And it does say do not attempt to disassemble. But if you don't power it on, it should be fine. Also, make sure you have a battery tester such as this. And you can test the current with the to make sure there's no flow of energy. So what we're going to do is I'm going to point this out. For this one, the the black one is the ground and all that stuff. You're going to unplug it. It was originally plugged in. You just pry it out by like, it'll be in there, and then you pull it, and then it'll come out. You see, it's like a plug, like the outlets in your house. You just pull it out, but you're gonna probably use the flathead again just to push it out. And then there's this tape here, insulation tape. You just pull this off. I'm gonna just, because I don't really have anything, I'm going to put it on top of the back case. And personally, I take this tape out just to seal the circuit boards. Just put that over there. And we have another piece of tape here. Put that here. And for this one's also going to be plugged in. Let's see if we can... okay. Yeah, there. So it's going to be plugged in a bit similar to that, more or less. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the flathead again, and we're going to pry it out. There we go. And just for safety precautions, you don't want any electric flow going to wherever you're trying to, what shall we say, examine wherever. And then this we're going to take off. It's going to be much harder, but like I said, I pried it off. It's going to look a bit similar to this. And then there is a very, very tiny piece that seems... okay. Right here. Hold on. Just a second. Here we go. So, very, very tiny piece. Yep. We're going to put that there. Okay. So, essentially, what's happening is right here, you're going to do the same thing as we did right here. You're going to wiggle it out of the position that it was in before. So, yes, and then you can further expand whatever you want to. Those are the... also for the battery. there's going to be this thing right here, and you're going to flip it up, okay? It's considerably easy, especially when you have a flat head, like as such. You flip it up, and you can flip it back down. Boom. See? I'm sorry about the terrible camera quality, but I'm short right now on cameras. So, let's see. Flip it up, and then it's what shall we say, disassembled from the battery, and then you can experiment with whatever you need, and it's your choice what you do from there. That concludes this video on interpreting intellect, and thank you for watching. Again, this is the Fire Kindle, Amazon's Fire Kindle.